Hey there, everyone. Today, we're celebrating World Bread Day, a day dedicated to one of the oldest and most beloved foods in the world, bread. From fluffy loaves to crusty baguettes, bread has been a staple in cultures all around the globe. And today, we're taking a moment to appreciate its rich history and importance. First off, did you know that bread has been around for thousands of years? It's one of the oldest prepared foods, with roots tracing back to ancient civilizations. From the flatbreads of Egypt to the intricate sourdough recipes of Europe, bread has been a vital part of human history. Every culture has its unique varieties, each with its own special preparation methods and flavors. It's amazing to think about how bread has evolved and adapted over the centuries, bringing us the delicious diversity we enjoy today. Bread isn't just about taste, it's also a symbol of togetherness and community. In many cultures, breaking bread together is a way of connecting with others, sharing stories, and creating lasting bonds. It's no wonder bread is often at the center of family meals, holiday celebrations, and gatherings with friends. Today, let's honor the role bread plays in bringing people together and making special moments even more memorable. Now, let's talk about the art of baking bread. There's something magical about mixing simple ingredients like flour, water, and yeast, and watching them transform into a beautiful loaf. Whether you're a professional baker or just enjoy making bread at home, the process of kneading, rising, and baking can be incredibly rewarding. Plus, the smell of fresh bread filling your kitchen is just unbeatable. Finally, on this World Bread Day, let's also consider how we can make bread a sustainable choice. Choosing locally made bread or baking your own can reduce packaging waste and support local farmers and bakers. We can also explore different grains and whole grains to make our bread healthier and more nutritious. Thanks for joining me today in celebrating World Bread Day. Take some time today to enjoy your favorite bread, whether it's a warm slice with butter, a hearty sandwich, or a fresh baguette. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with other bread lovers out there. Let's continue to celebrate and cherish this timeless food that brings us comfort, connection, and joy.